Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing right now. This is a late unboxing. So I have a small item here which I got in March of this year. Right now it's already April. I got this at the Singapore online. I got this from the Taiwan airport. So I was traveling and going back to the States, and I had to stop at Taiwan airport, and of course this is going to be tax-free. So this is the item that I got from Cartier, and this is my very first Cartier item, and I got this on sale. I believe it's 40% off, and I jumped on it because I know Cartier, as far as I know, Cartier never goes on sale, and I didn't know why they were on sale. But anyways, this is the item that I got. Probably saw it here. So comes with a canvas pouch, and this is the item that I got. It has a, I don't know if this is embossed markings on here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots, and it's leather on the inside, and it says Cartier made in Italy on this part, and then on this part is also leather. I would assume it's cloth on the inside, but they're all made of leather. I've been looking for a card holder for a while now, like a really thin card holder such as this one, which could fit like a very small purse. Let's say if I'm just going out for a formal event and I have a tiny clutch bag to use, I just need a card holder that as thin as this as possible. So I just need to put my driver's license, my ID, which is my driver's license, and maybe 2 credit cards, my health insurance maybe, I don't know. So, and I plan to use this on my trip to Europe because I don't plan to bring a big purse, just a tiny one that is secured, and I just need to have my like I said, driver's license and credit cards here. And it also comes with this care booklet, and this one, it says exterior is calfskin leather, interior is calfskin leather, is a natural product and should be handled with care, avoid contact with humidity. Okay, and the box says it is Guerlain simple card holder, Guerlain red calfskin. Sorry if I'm butchering the how you pronounce that. Made in Italy, and this is the receipt, and it is 7,900 Taiwanese dollars, and after discount it became 4,740 Taiwanese dollars. So that is gonna be 157.37 US dollars for this after the discount. So that's not bad. The conversion rate is $1 US is equal to 30.12 Taiwanese dollars at the time when I bought it, and this was in March 9 of 2024. So there you go, guys. I'm so glad I got this, and when I go to Europe, I plan to visit Cartier and avail of the tax-free as well, and maybe buy something like a bracelet. So hopefully things pan out on my end, and thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.